We're going to be exploring one of the most iconic parts of the Dolomites in Italy.
Not just that, but we're going to be swimming in the bluest, most perfect lake here.
And we're going to show you one of the best places to stay in the Dolomites because this place really is incredible.
Let's get on the road. We're officially on our way to Tre Cime di Lavaredo. I'm going to get the saying perfectly right by the end of this video. We're going to have to get some logistics out the way first. We did have to prepay for the toll road on the way there, so it's €40 and you can sign up on the website, put in your car registration. We'll add the link below because you 100% have to do that if you do want to drive your car right to where the, I guess, start point and car park is. It's on the Oronzo website and it's basically valid all day. So if you book the 8 AM slot, you basically have 8 AM till 8 PM to park there and to stay there throughout the day. They only book 30 days in advance, so from the 1st of June you can book until the 30th of June and so on. This is probably the easiest, less complicated way to do this trip. You can also park at the bottom, catch the little shuttle bus or the bus up. There's a few different ways that you can do it. But we've made it through, we're on the way, we should be there in the next couple of minutes, so I'm so excited for this.
It's quite nice that you get to start off from such a high vantage point already, and you just start with these incredible views straight away. There's so many mountains here, all the layers are unbelievable. You
can do a couple of different hikes here. We're starting with potentially the easiest. I stay out of breath as I've just come uphill, but we are going to the viewpoint at Cicchetti di Lavaredo. It's about 45 minutes there, 45 minutes back, and there's an epic viewpoint, probably one of the most iconic ones in the whole of the Dolomites. So I'm very excited to see it and see if it's living up to its reputation. They love a cliff edge walk here in the Dolomites, but when the views, I can't stop. It makes me speechless. I can't. I genuinely feel like I'm in like a desktop background at all times in the Dolomites. Like it just, it's hard to believe you're actually here. Makes me actually want to cry a little bit because I get so emotional at just appreciating where we are and like the good views. It's just, how is this real? We have made it to the famous viewpoint and there is a little bit of a queue. It's not too bad. We've been here, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, probably.
Something like that. I think we'll maybe have another 20 minutes, but it's kind of standard because the view looks absolutely unreal and we're so excited to get up there. This is so beautiful.
This view is insane.
As you can see, the viewpoint was so worth it. We waited maybe about 35 minutes. It wasn't too bad.
Maybe a little bit more, but yeah, I think I'd say under an hour.
But everyone in the queue is so lovely and we got chatting to lots of different people, which is really cool.
It's also a great opportunity to take a little bit of a breather after the walk up.
For sure. We did some sun cream and then we just admired the views because it really is outstanding.
It's incredible. We tried to be as efficient as possible.
Yeah.
We flew the drone, got some pictures, got some videos. In and out.
In
That's
and
what
out.
It's all about.
They said that we were the fastest out of a lot of people, so I'm quite happy with that. But you just got to take the time to enjoy it as well because this view.
Now we're going to go and explore the rest of this area because, like Danielle said earlier, we've kind of like hired the parking and the toll for the day.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of trails that you can do here. One's like 4 or 5 hours, so we're just going to kind of see what we get done. There is a viewpoint that's above this, so we're just going to pop the 5 minutes up just to see if those views are even better.
They're going to be.
They're going to be. You can see everyone queuing down there, but we can honestly say the views up here are probably even better. You just don't have the kind of like iconic road leading up to that perfect viewpoint. It's almost like someone built that down there.
It's literally like, it just looks so beautifully carved out.
But you should definitely take the walk a few minutes up to the top of these mountains. And if you're not that bothered about the picture, then you can just come up here and enjoy it.
100%.
This place is unreal.
So awe-inspiring to look at, to be in, to experience.
It's just so vast and so dramatic.
Loads of these little flies.
I don't know what these are.
I don't think they're sandflies.
No, they don't seem to be biting or anything, but there is some tiny little like black flies.
Just look at this over here. Just, it's behind us. Wow.
Yeah, that's not even the,
like that's
just there.
That.
It's insane. This place is up there as one of the most incredible places we've ever been. And if you haven't been on our channel for a while, we've not been YouTubing the whole time, but we've been traveling for almost 4 years.
Yeah.
And this is pretty
this is definitely
high
up there. I think it just takes my breath away. It makes me speechless a lot of the time. Like I just look at the view, try and describe it, and I'm like
We'll try and count how many times in our whole Dolomite series Danielle cries.
It overwhelms me how beautiful it is. It's just...
Is that one?
No, no. I can't cry on cue. I cry when I least expect it. But, okay, we've taken in the beautiful views here. Yeah. We're going to head over and do a trail. We're going to see how long we do it for. Matt has got a bit of a painful knee from the other trek that we did the other day. But
there's also bars and restaurants along this one, so...
I think the beer's enticed him, having a potential beer halfway around.
I think I can get on board with that.
We made it back to the car for a brief stop to top up our water because we brought extra, and we're going to start the hike to the I feel like I really want to get it. Tre Cime di Lavaredo.
There you go, spelt just as it sounds.
But we are going to actually swap some things over because I don't think drones are allowed here, so we're not going to take ours.
And the place that we're staying, this is actually one of the coolest things. It's going to sound so losery,
are we going to sound old?
But so obviously we're traveling content creators, so I usually have a backpack full of like our drone, our camera, drone batteries,
or like it,
phone charging bank in case we need it, sun cream, water, all those sort of things. And the backpack that we've got is great for camera gear, but not so good for like hiking. And the place that we're staying just has this in the room.
It's so good. We need to actually invest in one of these.
Yeah.
It's such a good backpack.
It's so good. Now we can just move over like just the camera and a couple of things. Yeah. And now I get this instead.
So much easier.
Yay.
This is the small things that we find joy in.
It is.
Well, you more so because he carries it.
Okay. There's a couple of, what did you call them?
Refugio, I think they are.
Refugios along the way. There's the furthest one's about an hour away, so I think we're going to aim for that one.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to do the whole loop just because Matt and his knee is not...
footballing injury that was flared up by some hiking that we did yesterday. And if you haven't seen that YouTube, that was last week, so you'll see that here.
We're going to walk to one of the furthest sort of cafe rest stops and grab a little beer and then make our way back. So I think around 2 hours, I think it'll be.
Yeah. We are on the walking trail. We stopped at the first Refugio to top up our waters.
You can get free water there, guys. And nothing is free because the toilets are, what, 70 cents or a euro?
70 cents. You can give it a 50 and a 20 cent, but if you've only got a euro, it won't give you change. So, yeah.
It's a euro for a toilet. Which is fine, you know, it's kind of expected places like this.
Food looked pretty good in there. A woman walked out with a really nice looking plate of pasta.
Yeah, I just wanted to stop there and eat it.
Some of the like Parma ham sandwiches and stuff looked super tempting.
We got 2 1-litre waters and they were €7.
Yeah, so €3.50 a piece, and that's the biggest water that they have.
Yeah.
And the first Refugio is literally right near the car park.
Yeah, super close.
It's a pretty epic bar crawl.
Yeah, that's such an English thing of us. Epic bar crawl in the Dolomites.
But we're going to keep going and see if we can make it to the third Refugio.
Technically it's the third.
We'll see what time it is and how my leg's feeling. But either way, You get some epic views here.
Can't beat these views. This valley over here, look.
A dog just walked past, literally stopped and looked at the
I
views.
just admired the views, look.
Made it to the second refugio, and I don't think we're actually going to make it to the third one. The incline changes quite significantly after this, and he's not hurting like so bad, but I just know that I need to give it a little bit of rest from all the walking we've done to prepare for the walking that we have to come. We spent a little bit longer at the first point today, just walking around admiring those views, because that was just so incredible. And I think Danielle and I are both ready for a swim. It's getting later in the day now. Need some of that lake water on this skin.
I agree, and let's face it, there are worse places to go for a beer.
Cheers to that. And you can see
It is cold.
why we wanted to come for a swim.
It's so beautiful here.
There's no one else swimming, but there's no signs that say don't swim.
You can swim here.
And yeah, online it says you can.
It just said the lake maximum it goes to is 16 degrees, even in the summer.
It's cold. It is cold, but it's also a hot day.
Yeah.
So
Why not? Okay, I felt like this is going to be more. You're going to have to brace yourself more than I am.
yeah, a little.
I actually really want to get my hair wet and everything. I don't care. I just want to get in.
Okay.
You ready?
Ooh. I'll let you go first.
Me? Why me first?
'Cause I'm holding the GoPro.
Oh wow. No, I feel like I want to be face first into it. I don't know. I can't decide.
Dive.
Oh. Ow. That was an accidental fall. Okay, we're just gonna go for it. It's so cold. That's cold. It's nice, but it's cold. You're gonna hate this. You're gonna hate it. I've taken refuge on the shore. It is probably one of the coldest places we've swam. Do you think it's colder than Blue Pools in New Zealand?
It just feels like I dived into ice. Oh, like everything burns. No.
No?
No.
This is very cold. Hello! There's people on like a little pedalo over there. I'm gonna record Matt now. Are you ready?
Yes. So cold.
Who's done it?
That is absolutely bolting.
It is so cold, isn't it?
Yeah, that is freezing. We have found more swimmers, so it looks like the opposite end of the lake. Seems like more people swim here. So I think we're gonna have to get in again, aren't we?
We are. we've successfely entered the lake again, but it does not come without a bit of...
Yeah, at what cost?
I'm so cold. But now we're soaking up the sun, sunbathing a little bit and just taking in these beautiful views. And once we leave here, we'll show you our amazing hotel because it's only 10 minutes from this place.
It's so beautiful as well.
Yeah. What about the views though? It's so beautiful here.
Yeah, this is just straight from our balcony. We're staying at Littlehof, which is in San Candido Inicen, where is it about 12 kilometers?
I think maybe 12 miles. I think.
12 miles from the Austrian border, so
Which
we're
is
right
crazy.
up in like the northeast.
Yeah.
Part of the Dolomites.
And from the lake that we just were, that's only a 10-minute drive away. The hikes and stuff that we did earlier on as well, that's maybe like 40 minutes. So this place,
Yeah.
from when we arrived, we were just like...
Unbelievable. And yeah, the occasional thing has maybe been like an hour's drive, but you're driving through such beautiful scenery that you don't
Doesn't
mind
matter.
doing it. It's just nice, you know, the windy roads. It's been beautiful to drive around. And from the moment we arrived at Littlehof, it's been awesome.
Absolutely, this is one of the best places that you can stay in all of the Dolomites.
100%. We're on half board, which means that we get breakfast and dinner. The food has been incredible.
So good.
Tonight they've got an aperitif with live music in the bar
Very
at
excited
7. So we'll see what that's all about.
Our Dolomites adventures don't end here. There are still more stunning views, breathtaking hikes, and picturesque lakes for us to explore. Next week, we venture towards the western side of the Dolomites, and we can't wait to take you with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Obviously, in the Dolomites, again, what goes without saying is you get a balcony with these views.
Obviously. Wow.
Oh, we're going pretty fast.
Going fast.